Hello YouTube, we're going to degrease and try to remove some rust on this thing and see what it looks like all cleaned up. It comes apart pretty easy. You can just pull the top out. You just have to pull this back. See how that lifts that piece in the back? That's what lifts it up each time. And this locks in each time. You'll see it when it's all done. We'll show you in operation. We're going to clean it up a little, see what it looks like. This could be worth a little bit of money. I've been searching on the internet. But it's mine, I can do what I want with it. So even if somebody wants $100 one, I might want to repaint it and just keep it for myself. So that's the decision we have to make. I'll let you all help me decide. Should I clean it up and paint it, or just clean it up and leave it alone? So there. Let me know in the comments when the video's over. Okay, this is about as clean as we're gonna get without wire brushing. It's about 60 degrees out here, and it's like 12:30 in the afternoon, November or whatever. It's amazing. I'll put the date when I film this in the description. Here's how this works. Now, I ain't quite figured how to lower it down because you got to pull this back. You got to do it just right. But here's how this works. Okay, this is gonna grab this and pull it up, and this is gonna catch it. So watch. See that? Now watch. That clicks in one. Okay, now I ain't quite figured it out because that slammed down on me. If you pull this ring back somehow, and I don't even want to do it on video. See, you're supposed to let it down, but I can't get that. See how it wants to just go back up? It's just something I have to figure out. I don't know if there's really anything worn in it. I just don't know how to run it yet. But you get the idea. If you wanted to go down, you're going to have to go, you have to lift it up a little bit, pull this out, and go down one. See that? Then you're going to still have to hold the lever, which doesn't make no sense. I think you know what I mean. It's just beyond me because I'm not used to it. So, there you go. Let's do some wire brushing and see what it looks like when we're done. Oh, before I pull it out, I shouldn't do it now. All you gotta do is manipulate all this and that other piece, and then this slides up out of here. It's kind of self-explanatory. If you was looking at it, you'd figure it out. You'd have to have this move back and that. It's not too hard, but just watch your fingers. Okay, this was pretty easy. You can just get it apart. The bolt was on this side before. Okay. And they used a bolt where it wore on the threads. I mean, they could have used a bolt that had less threads. I'm going to turn it around when I put it back together because there seems to be, well, there might be a little less play on one side. Either way, it don't matter. I don't think that's really going to bother. This was kind of tricky to get out. I just used a small needle nose. I had to bend this spring back to pull this out of there. See that? So I was pretty careful. I don't want to snap that spring still. I'm trying to make that. I don't even want to try that. Best I can get. Nut blaster spray and purple power degreaser. So there we go. Let's start wire brushing some parts. Well, I think I deserve a break. There's a little bit of a breeze, but tell you what, wearing that mask, that's a heavy duty mask. It's called the K95, whatever. It gets hard to breathe. And that's the best drill I have for wire brushing. It's high speed. I've had that thing running for hours. Good old drill. It's a skill. I have a video on it. We'll get this little in hard to get spots with a smaller brush. We have smaller brushes, but we're taking a break. So, thanks for watching. This is just a short video on just me cleaning it up. One of these days we'll paint it. It's obvious what color it is, but I really don't want to paint this John Deere green. I'd rather have it military green, some olive drab. Because if I have to look at it all the time, I don't want it to be shiny John Deere green. Just my preference. So thanks for watching.